Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to talk about what are some of the documents that are required for getting pre-approved for a home loan. Keep in mind these are pretty standard across the board. No matter what lender you talk to, they will require the same things. And oftentimes the process can move very quickly. It's getting the paperwork in that can slow you down. Okay, and so we want you to go prepared. And so yeah, we're going to talk about those items that will be required. And so right off the bat, the lenders are going to want to see copies of your bank statements. And so that's your savings account statement, your checking account statements, and they want to see the most recent 2 months, and that's all pages. Even those blank pages that we typically don't look at, they want to see all pages. They'll also want to see the last 2 years of your tax return, so your federal tax returns, and the last 2 years of your W2s if you're a W2 employee. And even for my self-employed entrepreneurs, your tax returns are going to be also very important. And so one of the things that I like to share with anyone that's self-employed, if they know they're going to be purchasing a home, we really want to be mindful that year of how we file our taxes. Because say you make $100,000 in that year, but there's so many deductions, and on paper now it looks like maybe you've made $40,000 or $50,000 that year. No matter how profitable you truly are, if the tax returns don't reflect that, it'll pose some challenges with getting pre-approved for the amount that you're looking to get pre-approved for. So just keep that in mind as we're planning to purchase a home. How we file our taxes is very important. Okay. Also, the lender will be looking for 1 month worth of your pay stubs. And so if you get paid once a month, they'll want 1 full month of the most recent month of pay stubs, or if it's bi-weekly, they'll typically want the last 2 pay stubs to show proof of income, as well as the contact information for your employer so that they can verify employment. They'll also want to see if you've been divorced. They'll want to see a copy of your divorce decree. And if there is a bankruptcy, they'll want to see copies of the discharge paperwork from the bankruptcy. Okay. And again, all of this stuff is very easy for them to verify if we can get it into them on time. What slows them up is not getting the paperwork in on time. And also keep in mind, if you have multiple bank accounts, we want to be consistent with the accounts that we are sending into the lender. We don't want to move money around from different accounts because they like to see consistency and they like to see a paper trail. They don't like new money just dropped into the bank account. Okay, and so keep in mind as you're submitting your documents, just keep it consistent. If you have other accounts and you know you don't want to use those accounts, then we don't want to start off and then throw those in throughout the process. Okay. And then also we don't want to make any sudden movements with our employment. They like consistency. And so even if you've gotten a promotion and you've gotten a better job, maybe in the same industry, they also will need to see new verification of that. And it just has to tell a good story when they're verifying it. Okay. And so yeah, those are the documents that are often required. Get them in order. If you know that you're looking to purchase a home, start your file so that everything is easily accessible, so that yeah, the process moves very quickly. And so again, thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or if you'd like me to cover a certain topic, just let me know. I love to do so. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.